Hello everyone, Chris here from genuinejobs.com. In front of you here is the page. Once you click on the submit button, this is what's going to load for you. This is where you actually get the information kit sent out to you. There are a few things you need to do to be able to get those career kits sent out to you, the information regarding those careers. And the careers are simply culinary arts. Just got to put the TV on and you'll see all those amazing cooking shows that's crowding the airwaves right now. Cooking is huge right now. Art and design, another huge career field to get into, simply because you can freelance from home doing so. Business technology, again, something you can freelance from home doing. Actually, 12 years ago when I started working from home, it was doing business administration for a company. And the last option here is massage, and it's one of those things where you can start your very own business fairly small from your home, going to clients' homes, and expand as you go along. So you have four choices here, all great career fields to get more information about. Feel free to choose any one of these. All you need to do after that is enter your first name, last name, your email address, your mailing address. Pretty much explains itself here. Your phone number, this is just for them in the event they want to contact you to confirm that you did request this information. With all the privacy laws and everything out there, you really want to be safe about this. You don't want people using your information. So what they'll probably do is contact you to say, well, yes, it's in the mail, or yes, we'd just like to confirm that you wanted the information about the art and design career or the culinary arts career. And beyond that, the only other thing you need to do is click on this submit button here, and that's it. The information will be sent out to you. Quick comment though, this email the prior email that you read, or the page before this that you read, will be read by over 47,000 people. That's how many people that's on our mailing list of job seekers, and we've only been allowed 75 of these career kits to hand out, so it's pretty much first come first serve. So please do take action now. Get into one of these careers that's making a lot of people a ton of money, and things they can all do from home. Good luck, and again, this is Chris from genuinejobs.com, wishing you the best in all your career choices.